Hi guys, in another video by Tech Pro, Samsung introduced full screen to create a screen-filling screen for the Samsung Galaxy S10. The patented Samsung design has 4 strips, which are attached to all sides of the device. The strips can be made from various materials, including metal, aluminum or patterned wood. The latter isn't particularly applicable to TVs. So this is not about 2 strips, as was the case with Huawei, but about 4 comics. This creates an even larger screen-to-body ratio. A design like this comes very close to a screen-to-body ratio of 100%. The strips are also fixed in a different way, namely by means of magnets. A permanent magnet or an electromagnet can be used for this. In addition, the strips have a U-shaped coupling structure, so that they can be snapped together for extra strength. The thing is that the S10 will be Samsung's first phone with veritable in-display finger scanner, they claim, after it tried and failed to implement it into the Note 9 on time for the summer release. In addition, Samsung is working on slimming down a 3D face scanning module of its own for the S10, and if it succeeds, both its current face recognition effort that only uses the front camera, as well as iris scanning, will pretty much become obsolete. The most interesting take from the whole publication, however, is the fact that display suppliers have been tasked with making 2 screen sizes for the Galaxy S10, a 5.8 and a 6.3 panel, so Samsung is going to pretty much continue with the current scheme of the S9 and S9 Plus, but may shrink the bezels even further or apply other shenanigans to increase the screen-to-body ratio compared to the S9, which is pretty compact in its turn. The S10 is shaping up to be a pretty intriguing device, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store with its anniversary answer to all the bezel-less, not white tsunami that Android manufacturers are unleashing on our unsuspecting heads this year. Thanks for watching everybody, don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.